way down here. So that's a really, really sexy, sexy piece right there. And as you see, it's just shorts. It's a one-piece short. Hello. It's time and we're back for the sexy holiday gear. So you're with Dr. Pamela Ageless Beauty. So I'm getting ready for my, what's it, the holiday lingerie wear. So I'm going to start showing you holiday lingerie pieces. And I'm going to show you my favorite pieces because there are a lot of favorite pieces out there. Okay? So we're going to go through that so I can help you ladies find some sexy to get for your mate. And my man, I have some sexy lingerie that you can get for your mate, right? Okay, so that's what we're talking about. Women being sexy for the holiday. Okay, now, I'm going to get started with this sexy piece because this is the piece I really, really, truly love. And it's very hard to find. Now, if you like this piece, you definitely have to go into my link in the description to get this particular piece because it is rare. Okay? So, let me show you this piece. All right, now, for YouTube purposes now, we got to keep it sexy and sweet. Now, because this one is very, very sheer, okay? And you can really see everything in it. So I'm going to wear the two-piece underwears, but doesn't go with this. But ladies, you can wear any red lingerie under this piece because this is a sheer silhouette piece. Now, as you see, it has a hoodie, and I love that. Now, with the hoodie, you can take this all the way down and give you the sexy, sexy look. I love that. And it goes all the way down here. So, that's a really, really sexy, sexy piece right there. And as you see, it's just shorts. It's a one-piece short, low zipper. And as you see in the back, it's very sheer. So, I love these. And then, they're just like boy shorts. And as I said, wear some undies with it and really, really, really show off your body, okay? So that's my short one piece right there that I think is very, very sexy and very, very sexy for your mate. So make sure you get this one, ladies, okay? Now I'm going to come back. You know how I do it. I'm going to show you another piece that is very, very sexy for the holidays. See you in a minute. Well, welcome back. Okay, now, this is the sexy red sheer piece that I love. It's very sexy. I'm going to call it, you know, it's like Emma is wicked. It's just a wicked, sexy lingerie. So I'm only going to turn around a little bit for you to see because it's very, very sheer. So, you know, we have to be tasteful and nice for YouTube, so let's keep it that way. Now, this is a very nice, sexy baby doll. You know I love my baby doll dress. And then it has a underwire, so it will help you ladies to hold you up here. So I love that, and it'll tighten in the back as well. So you have a strap that will tighten. And this is satin, and this is a very, very pretty bow. And then it comes with some undies. I'm going to show you their G-strings, very sexy G-strings, matching G-strings, and then I have some on as well. That's another pair. But they're very, very sexy. This is a very sexy outfit because it's going to also hold you up here. Satin is open in the front here, but we're, you know, closing it a little for YouTube. So, I hope you like this sexy, sexy lingerie. It's a baby doll red, and it's a very wicked, sexy, sexy, sexy outfit. Okay? All right, so I'll be back with one more outfit. See you soon. All right, welcome back. Look at my candy cane little hottie two-piece. Oh my gosh. When you go in the link in the description and see this one, I'm going to tell you where you can go and get this tomorrow at your favorite store. And I'm going to tell you, this right here is a steal. It is 100% cotton. And oh my gosh, it feels so good, ladies. You've got to get this. This is an awesome outfit to be sexy in. And I'm going to show you how to switch it up and to make it very, very sexy. But first, let me show it off to you so you can see how sexy it is. Now, as you see, it buttons all the way here, and it has a very, very low cut, right? Well, guess what? You can take it here, loosen it here, and get that sexy on, right? Now, check these out. Look at there. That is so cute. Look at the fluffies, the ruffles there. Now, that's sexy. Very, very sexy. And any lady can wear it. It doesn't matter the size of your body or anything, because it doesn't fit you so tight, right? And it's very loose because it's 100% cotton. Then right here, you have your own red little bow. And I say, take the lower button, loosen that. You know how I do it. I say, tie it up and put your sexy on. That's what I like. Tying it up and putting the sexy on. Now, when you go in the link in the description, this outfit right here is so inexpensive. It is ridiculous. But it feels so good. It's very comfortable to have what's your mate and some hot cocoa or one of your little favorite steamy drinks. This is awesome to relax in. And again, you can take it loose, and I didn't, you know, I'm not wearing the bra under it, but put a red bra on, and it will look really, really sexy hanging loose. You know what? I'm going to show you what it looked like. I turn around and come back. I'm going to show you what it looked like just wearing it loose with the bra. See? Isn't that bright and sexy? So you can walk around in a nice bra and look very, very sexy. Like again, I always say, hey, take it and tie it. You know, my young girls want to show the tummy off. So it's very, very sexy to wear tied up. It's sexy to wear down with just the bra. Hey, that's a sexy two-piece. Oh, yes. I hope you like it. Okay, so let me see if I can find another piece that I want to show you. And I hope you're enjoying and liking Dr. Pamela Ages Beauty hot, sexy pieces for the holiday. Okay? Thank you.